When you travel or go on a business trip, you tend to forget to water your ornamental foliage plants and garden. Have you ever come home and realized it was too late? For such we recommend Water Keep Hosui-chan, which uses the power of water to keep them healthy. As the name suggests, Hosui-chan is a soil water retaining material that replenishes the water that plants need. As you can see, when you mix the powdered Hosui-chan with water, it becomes jelly-like. Molecules absorb water and swell, storing water in fine particles that deliver water to the roots of plants. For example, if you just put the jelly-like Hosui-chan at the base of the plant, it will supply water for a week or two, so you don't have to worry about watering. It's very easy to use. Stir a spoonful of Hosui-chan into 400 cc of water. The Hosui-chan will turn into jelly, so if the water doesn't fall to the bottom of the bowl after 5 minutes, it's done. In addition, we recommend Hosui-chan to those who have hobbies such as gardening. If you add Hosui-chan to water with food coloring dissolved in it, it will turn into a colored jelly. It would be fun to use this for gardening and ornamental foliage plants.